There is an ongoing challenge, heightened by the economic climate, for public sector to do more with less. Understandably, this results in increased scrutiny of government projects and whether they are achieving their stated outcomes. Successful delivery is key to providing value for money for the UK taxpayer. At Baringa, we believe data plays a critical role as an ally to decision-making and improving project delivery success. Here are 3 ways you can use data to improve delivery.
Be clear from the outset on the data points that will show project, programme or portfolio performance. Selecting the key KPIs is critical to ensuring delivery of stated outcomes. This means being clear upfront on what measures of success are. KPIs should be directly tied to departmental objectives or portfolio outcomes, regularly reported on and embedded in governance. All too often, project delivery is underpinned by gut feel updates rather than data-led insight. The data needs to drive actions and provide leadership the ability to course correct en route to successfully deliver against the business case.
Measure delivery progress consistently across all stakeholders to ensure alignment. Once KPIs are set and agreed, every stakeholder must measure and report against these using consistent data standards and principles, ensuring there is a single source of truth with a clear view of delivery progress. This helps ensure alignment and avoid misaligned expectations around delivery progress across projects.
Proactively monitor the benefits and outcomes to determine project success. Improving projects teams' data modelling and analytics skill set will enable them to better define, estimate and assure benefits realisation on an ongoing basis. It will also help teams to understand the impact on benefits from in-flight policy changes.
With these foundations established, alongside targeted training and investment in data capability, government will be able to fully unlock the potential of data tooling and predictive metrics to better aid decision-making and, in turn, increase project delivery success.